We have a showdown between Plus Auto Euro Paste and Rema Tip Top Euro Paste. We'll be comparing the large buckets and the low profile buckets. Here's the Plus Auto low profile bucket weighing in at 8.1 pounds and the Rema low profile bucket weighing in at 7.95 pounds. Here's the Plus Auto tall bucket weighing in at 9.95 pounds. And here's the Rema tall bucket weighing in at 8.9 pounds. Here's the Rema tall bucket measuring in at, we'll call it 7 inches, and the Plus Auto measuring in at 7.5. Let's measure these low profile buckets. Here's the Rema at 5 inches, and the Plus Auto, same height. They say it's what's on the inside that matters, so let's take a look. Here's the Rema, and here's the Plus Auto. Looks the same, feels the same, works the same because it's made the same way. Order today from TireSupplyNetwork.com.